All right, ladies, today we're doing a little at-home glow up. So we're going to be trying out this Sonic Dermaplane Razor. This is in purple. This is made for removing peach fuzz, exfoliating dead skin, and helping your makeup go on smoother. If you've ever looked in the mirror and thought, why does my makeup look so dull today? It's probably the fuzz and dry skin. So let's go ahead and test this out. First, I love the color. It's pretty and feminine. It feels lightweight. It fit comfortably in my hand. It's rechargeable, which I appreciate. No batteries, no hassle. This is also going to have the 3-speed settings. I love the built-in LED light, and it's going to come complete with 12 replacement blades. So this is meant to last you a long time. This LED light is amazing though. It shows everything, all the little peach fuzz you normally don't see. Kind of shocking, but also very helpful. Start on the lowest speed first, and y'all, it's so gentle. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to up that speed. But it doesn't pull, it's not scratching, it doesn't irritate my skin. It just glides smoothly across my face and removes the hair and dead skin at the same time. You can literally see the difference right away. Once you move to a higher speed, it's still smooth, still comfortable, no redness, no burning feeling, which I love because I have sensitive skin. You can use this on your upper lip, chin, jawline, cheeks, brows. We were sent this to test out, and after using it, my skin does feel softer, smoother, brighter, and more even. And when I put makeup on afterwards, oh my goodness, the foundation looks flawless, you guys. No patchiness, no caking, no fuzz showing. And that's the plus, especially with aging skin.